From this video, you will learn how this famous entrepreneur and YouTuber Ali Abdaal makes millions of dollars from all his online income channels. But today, I will share one specific $4,050,000 he made from one of his videos that literally anyone can make. Quick hint, he used his keyboard, but in a way that no one else has ever shared with you before. And you can steal this one idea from one of his most viewed YouTube videos and make $4 million using no more than 3 minutes of your time in 3 simple steps using a simple method that my software Epic is built for. Good news, Epic is coming to you for free. Link is in the description. Go get it. If you follow the video till the end, implement the strategy from his best performing video and use Epic, my software, you will be making money starting today. I'm so excited for you because Epic will take 99% of the workload on your behalf using artificial intelligence. Get Epic from the link in the description. We make $1,000 to $5,000 per day using the exact same systems, and you can make that too. This system is 100% beginner friendly and you can start doing it and start making money starting today without any website, without hosting server, without creating products, without driving traffic, without any experience, and without technical knowledge. You can get paid using PayPal, using bank transfer, using Stripe or any other methods, using crypto or digital currency. You can help us reach our goal of helping 100 million individuals and families get rid of their financial distress by making money online in the next 10 years. We can't do it alone. We need your help. And you can help us by simply sharing this video with your friends and family. Sharing this video can help educate people on how to make money online the right way, the easy way, and the fun way without wasting time, money, and energy on methods that just don't work. So go ahead, hit the like button and share this video with friends and family on Facebook, Twitter, Messenger, Reddit, Telegram, WhatsApp, emails, and everywhere else. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell button to get notified about our future video uploads. Your chances to hit your first $1 million with this method are super high. We know this system works because right now we follow the same system and make money from YouTube. But we use our own application Epic for this. We recently made $1,000 from 166 visitors we got from our videos, which is over $6 per visitor. $6,000 from 1,000 visitors, and we made over $60,000 from around 12,000 visitors from our videos from just 2 of our offers. If you hate shooting videos with cameras, Epic will help you make videos using simply copying and pasting free images, links, and texts. You don't need to record your voice using microphone because Epic makes natural voice over using text-to-voice technology. With one push of a button, Epic's built-in artificial intelligence writes the scripts for your videos. And all the Epic users get the same benefits. All our users get full access to our videos as well. They can use our videos as templates from inside their user dashboard and make their own videos using them. You're going to get Epic free today from the link in the description. Plus, we will tell you how to make $4 million using Epic. Full disclaimer, we can't guarantee and no one can guarantee how much money you will make. Maybe you will make more, maybe less, but we will show you the system that hundreds of people are using to make money. Before we share today's system, a little background of Ali Abdaal. Ali Abdaal has 2.97 million YouTube subscribers and his main niche used to be productivity, which is not very beginner friendly. His content is very popular, so I wanted to see how much he makes from YouTube. By the way, he is one of the fastest growing YouTuber. According to Social Blade, he makes around $207,000 per year just from AdSense alone. He makes much more from affiliate marketing, selling his own products, which are ebooks and courses, and some other stuff that he mentioned in one of his popular videos. He explains 9 passive income ideas. The video is titled 9 Ways to Make Passive Income. The number 6 money making idea on this particular video is creating digital courses. That's why I got to know that he also has 9 courses on Skillshare and probably more by now. I went to Skillshare and saw his video editing course with 43,000 students. Super awesome! Yes, video editing skill is a money-making skill, but I know my YouTube viewers don't like to spend weeks or months learning video editing. If you don't like it, simply skip it because I have something better and faster and easier. So I checked his second most popular video. The video is about how I type really fast. Keyboard. Type really fast. This video has over 8.1 million views. If we consider only 10% viewers clicked the link in the description of his video, it's still 810,000 people clicked on his link. And if we compare this with our results, Ali made 810,000 times $5, which equals $4,050,000. So you see, Ali made $4,050,000 using his keyboard. So I was curious whether he also has a course on this topic. Yes, I knew it. He has a course on how to type fast as well. The course has 7,767 students at the time of shooting this video. I checked on YouTube and every month 234,000 people search for type fast, and they are actually spending money on learning this skill on courses. Thousands of people are taking Ali Abdaal and other course creators courses, and a lot more courses on Skillshare and Udemy. Check 1,500 plus courses on Skillshare. Check Udemy, 3,944 results come up when you search for typing fast. This popular course has a 4.4 rating with around 2,500 students right now. So I went to Uber Suggest to see if people search for type fast on Google, and yeah, they do. 5,400 monthly searches with more than 1,200 related keyword suggestions. These 1,200 related keywords are the 1,200 unique ways to target all these people who want to learn how to type fast, or who just want to type fast. Check all these searches. How to type fast how fast type, and a lot more. So how can we make money from this? Number 1, go to Skillshare and get this typing fast course for free using my referral link. Get the link in the description, use Epic and start making your own course as you learn. Remember to make your course modules under 1 minute long because you'll be using them as free videos on YouTube as well. Step number 2, target these keywords and make short videos using my software Epic. Publish videos on YouTube as long and short videos. Number 3, promote your course on your videos. Ask your viewers to get your course from the link in every video. Take the free course from the link and learn the skill. After that, use my software Epic, also link in the description, is free, and make YouTube shorts. Shorts are getting millions of views now. Right now, I'm on YouTube and I searched with the keyword type fast, and I'm looking at a video that has 25 million views. Another one, Ali Abdaal himself, 276,000 views. Another one, 36,000 views, 1.1 million views, 378,000 views, 159,000 views. Oh my god. You see the numbers? These are all 1 minute videos. The reason for this popularity is that YouTube is trying to make shorts popular to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. So you get free marketing from YouTube if you make short videos. And the best part, when you make shorts, you can take all your YouTube shorts, compile them and make your own fast typing course module. Or they can be a complete course and promote on Udemy and Skillshare. When your shorts get popular, which they eventually will as the YouTube algorithm is pushing short videos, you will start getting lots of views, thousands if not millions of views. Ask these viewers to go and check your Skillshare and Udemy courses Just simply put the link in the description and the first comment. Your viewers will buy your courses and you will make money. When you start getting views, you will also make money from AdSense, just like Ali Abdal as well. Since YouTube is promoting shorts and shorts creators heavily, there is a 0% chance of failure in this system. And it makes our life super easy because it's just 1-minute video and it can be made using amazing AI software like Epic in just 3 minutes of your time.
Simply create new. Give your video a name, select vertical and click create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any free source. Paste it here and your image is imported. Now, you can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want to voiceover, and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want. Click the text generator, and paste it right here. Use our artificial intelligence to rewrite for you or use the spinner to rewrite, it is your choice. Let's use the spinner and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic or use the text to audio feature to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type based on text here. Then click submit. Your voiceover is ready. Go to the audio section. And here is your audio. Your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back later and add more video sections. You can also use our templates, which we have designed for our customers. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. You will receive an email notification once the render is complete. This is exactly how we made this video right here. You can download it and then upload it or directly upload it to Google Drive, Dropbox or other platforms. Or you can directly publish it on YouTube or other platforms.
Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the right way, and the fun way, like just using your keyboard. In return, we want a simple favor from you. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. Also, you can help your friends and family and social media contacts with learning how to make money online by sharing this video with them. Do that and they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and they will refer more customers to you, helping you make more money. Plus, you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.